friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I need some accountability, so I've decided to invite you all along to watch me clean my super messy room. Fun fact, I hate cleaning my room, specifically doing laundry, and my room has just gotten to a point where it's just too messy. So today, for the next 2 hours? It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon already. I'm starting this far too late in the day. We can establish that fact already. But my room is a mess. I have friends coming over next weekend. This is the weekend of getting things put together. So I hope you will come along and join me on this very exciting weekend cleaning vlog. So now, with that being said, let's survey the damage, shall we? Let's do that. Okay, so this is my current situation. It's not pretty. It's just cluttered and disorganized, and there's just stuff everywhere. So we need to take care of it. We need to just make things look better than they do right now. The reason the lamp is in a weird spot is because there were ants in that corner. So we sprayed for bugs. This is half off because I'm trying to start laundry. I'm also going to say for today's update, I'll show you the bathroom as well. Hold on. Here's the bathroom. Again, it's just not a pretty picture. Looking at this makes me ashamed. I need to get my life in order. Hello. It's just a mess, and we need to work on it, and I just need to get my life in order. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed. We're gonna leave the bathroom, as bad as this is, for just a little bit because we're going back to my room. This is just bad. So I think what I'm gonna do, because I always put off doing this, is I think we're going to put away the laundry. This is all clean laundry. We're going to start a load of dirty laundry, which is all of that situation over there. And I just also need to go through all of this stuff as I'm doing this. There's a sports bra, what's the situation right now? I need to go through and just start getting rid of things because, as you all can see, I have a lot of books that are all over the place. I've got a lot of clothes all over the place, just bags of random things. And if this goes well, and if you all like this, we can tackle my car next, because I need to get my life in order. I need to Marie Kondo my life, and I think it'll just be beneficial all around. Alright, friends, so that's the current situation. We have an hour. Let's do this thing. Alright, friends, it's about 45 minutes later, and the basket is empty. The laundry basket is empty. So I won't even tell you how long it's been since I've put all of those clothes away and how long it's been that they've been sitting in that basket, because it doesn't matter. You know what? It doesn't matter. It's not what's important about it. The thing that matters is that I'm starving. All I've eaten today is a bowl of cereal, and it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so I think I'm gonna make some mac and cheese because that sounds delightful. And then, oh, and I started another load, by the way. So we're making progress. We're doing the things. I think I'm going to pause the cleanup for a while. I'm like so happy I put away all that laundry. I hate putting away laundry, guys. I'll do laundry for days. For days. I'll wash it, I'll dry it, all that stuff. And then it'll sit in a basket for months. Not weeks, not days, months. So this is a big step. This whole keeping me accountable thing, I appreciate you guys. This is helping tremendously. So it really doesn't look like we made like any progress, but that basket, oh my gosh, I feel accomplished. So like I said, I'm gonna make some mac and cheese, chill out for a little bit, and then either later tonight or tomorrow, let's say we'll see. I'll see how the day goes. But yeah, later tonight or tomorrow, we will continue with the cleaning of my life. Check in with you guys in a little bit. Hi friends, welcome back to day 2 of my cleaning up my life video. So today's Sunday, and we are looking at about 12 o'clock in the afternoon as I'm starting this whole process. To be fair, I had to get an oil change this morning, which I'm still without a car, so this may be broken up a little bit because like I said, have to go get my car from the auto shop some point today. So that's what we're currently dealing with. I have a load of laundry that I need to get out of the dryer. We've just got a lot of things that need to be taken care of, as you know. Gonna go grab the laundry, gonna put that all away like last time yesterday, which was so good and so helpful for me to like know that somehow people are watching me put away laundry and it's keeping me accountable instead of it just sitting in my room. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll kind of go from there. All right, let's do this. So while my laundry is going, I thought I would go ahead and just straighten up my bookshelves a little bit. They've gotten a little out of hand, so I went ahead and already fixed a little bit. It's not perfect, but these are all of my read books on this bookshelf, all of the books that I've read within the last of my lifetime, except for these top 2 shelves. This one up here is all classics, and this is like self-help kind of random stuff. So that's what the deal is. I'm just fixing, there we go. That's the deal is, what the deal is with those shelves. I cleaned it up a little bit. It was looking a little bit kind of wacko all over the place. Still have a couple things to kind of adjust with it, but it's looking much better. So the next project we're going to tackle is that monstrosity and all of those. It just needs to look better. I don't care if there's a lot of books on the shelf. I just feel like I need it to look somewhat put together, more than just like books thrown everywhere. So that's what we're gonna do next. Hi friends, I hope you can hear me over this fan, but it's been a minute since we've talked. I ended up doing a little bit of organizing. I had to deal with some car stuff that I don't even want to get into, but decided to shift into the bathroom because, again, I'll do anything to put away laundry. So we're in the bathroom. I need to clean it because it's just a mess. I also want to kind of try and organize things underneath my vanity. I don't know if today's the day to do it, so I think as I'm talking out loud, I'm just gonna clean off the top. And we'll save the organizing of the stuff underneath for another video. If you're interested in that, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. But let's be efficient today, and let's just get done what needs to get done in a realistic time frame, because I've got things to do tonight, and we're running out of time and daylight. All right, let's do this thing. But I think for a weekend, cleaning this makes me feel accomplished. And you know what, friends? It's all about the little steps. Taking it a day at a time, doing what you can in the moment. And this just makes me feel so much better. Look at it sparkle. We did it. They said it couldn't be done. But we did it. Ah. My room is so clean and shiny and beautiful. I'm so happy. This took, spoiler alert, so much longer than I was expecting it to, but it was worth it. So I am so excited you guys came along with me on this journey. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more cleaning organization videos from me. But other than that, that is it. Subscribe to see more of my face. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!